Hello students, welcome back to AMERICOM. This is your teacher Joseph. Guys, I think that you're doing pretty good, you know what I mean? So today I decided to offer you this lesson, conjunction, right? So we're gonna see conjunction today, because conjunction is one of the best lesson in the English grammar, right? So today I recommend you listen to me very attentively and stick with me on the board, because this is so important. You have to know how to use conjunction, okay? Actually, these are not all the conjunction in the English department, but some of them. I want you to make sure that in the English department, we got this type of lesson. We have this type of lesson, which the title is conjunction. Les gars, aujourd'hui, il est une conjonction. Donc conjunction zino ndogo muhimu, right? Gerjarone na mnajo zirumia tahamwas frazi zatu zisone klasi, right? Alright, so here we have conjunction, definition, and then example, right? Zindes conjunction jazone, zindes definitions azo, right? Ndongo zirongo. Après zino dezi, wana frazi, wana example wa izi conjunction zino zilio bani, right? So here we have because, although, whereas, besides, unlike, therefore, but, right? So rairongwa because the definition shows a reason. Because wasirumia rione sa raison. Donc because en français de l'erongwa parce que, right? Donc here she usually eats at home because she likes cooking, right? Ouais, puis à la maison, c'est usually ça veut dire comme d'habitude, right? Donc comme d'habitude, ouais, puis à la maison parce que she likes cooking, ouais, benza upiha, right? Ngala wanu ka benza upiha, benza liza au restaurant, beno ouais benza upiha, zahe dahoni, ouais benza ula zahe dahoni, mana benza upiha zahe, right? Okay, so here we have although. Although shows two opposite statements, okay? Although, yonesa deux phrases opposées, right? Donc here, example, we have although he speaks seldom, although he speaks seldom, although de la français rongo bien que, right? So although he speaks seldom, seldom yo rare, right? So although he speaks seldom, bien que wae babu harar, yani wae babu harar mo, he says meaningful words. Bien que wae babu harar ma, be amo babuha wae babuha na ndongozilio na mana, right? Ndongozilio potentially wae kababu aturi, you know what I'm saying? Donc although he speaks seldom, he says meaningful words. Alright, so here we have whereas. So whereas shows a contrast. Whereas you know there's a contradiction, right? Yandrongo, right? Vanogulio matratriz yani contradiction yandrongo, right? Donc here ngirna she is very funny, whereas he is boring. So she is very funny, whereas he is boring. So we did mori wanatsa wailu walio ndani harma salon, right? Mrumshena mrume, so she is very funny. So we did mrumshene nge paros nongo droli nge plane harma ngejibiwa, right? Yani nge na wakatoa moma vraiment amusant, whereas he is boring. Ça veut dire mamutsa moja ile mrumele he is boring. Ça veut dire ngezahe amia, right? Donc another example I might say, all my siblings are teachers, whereas I'm a doctor, right? Ça veut dire wananyangu pia wao maprofesseur, wao somesa maprofesseur, be wami de lio docteur, right? Donc wami tijito mbali yani ngam to ino mbali, right? So next we have besides. So besides is no ngisimbili katembili ngogo ikawa na s ngogo kaika na s. Leo ngiro nayo ilio na s. So besides mean in addition to, it is a preposition, right? So beside ça veut dire yani nakango to hadisi bembo engezo, in addition to. So in addition to, en français de l'erongo en plus, right? C'est comme en plus, donc en plus de ou ajouter ndongo zao harmo phrase right? Donc, par exemple, you have, she speaks 3 languages besides Spanish. Ça veut dire, ouais, babuha langindaru, en plus, na she Spanish tena. Ouais, babuha na she Spanish, right? Alright, so besides, mirumia na kango ajute. Uma frase yao ito, en plus, nungo flan taflani nungo ajute, right? Après, beside your preposition, right? Yeah, preposition. Okay, so here we have unlike. Unlike, different, not similar. Donc, unlike, you understand, different, is quasi se ressemble, quasi si fanhana, right? Right, so here we have Jack is completely unlike his father. Jack, yani complètement wa ikasifana na bahe, ta yani nungu zahe, izo kasi rudeza bahe. Right? Yani ngojo ndo mwana wa ito orenga nungu za bahe. Yani wa ifana na bahe, adungu orenga na simantalite. Be Jack, he's completely unlike his father. Ça veut dire, Jack wa vraiment la wa, yani complètement ba, yani kasifana tana bahe na nungu zahe. Right? Unlike. Do you understand? So here we have next, therefore. Therefore shows result, okay? Nakango to hadisi, donc ujone se resultat ya hadisi yako ile, right? Example, she came first, therefore she got a good seat. Ça veut dire ajakadimu mwamrumshe ajakadimu nakaspozor kana mitingi après mwamrumshe ajakadimu. Donc finalement apara good seat apara bano buzura kensi, right? Therefore waso nesa resultat na karto hadisi ngajari o nesa resultat hadisi, right? Donc but joins 2 ideas that are opposite, okay? So but yo changanisa idembili ikawamba zilio opposé, right? Donc but en français le mot mais, right? Here we have I don't know how to do that, but I can try, right? So I don't know how to do that, but I can try. So I don't know how to do that. Wamtijufanya ndongo hiyo. Suppose ufanya gari yani wao mekanisie gari limenya, right? Don't go to mekanisie. You like I don't know how to do that, but I can try. Wamtijufanya ndongo hiyo be ngamje say, right? This is what it is. I don't know how to do that, but I can try, okay? Okay, so this is what it is. This is what America wanted to show you today. You know, mjue hauzuri na mnehurumia ndongo jamaa lizino. So leave a comment if in case of problem. Naka ngo problem toujours utie commentaire urongo yamba ngo problem. There is no problem. I will make sure that I help you as much as I can, right? Okay, so basically this is what I wanted to show you today. I think that everything is now clear and perfect. In case of emergency, just leave a comment. All what you're gonna do now is to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like, you comment and share. Hit the notification bell also, which is gonna be really helpful for you because whenever AMERICOM upload, you just get notified that, you know, AMERICOM has just launched one. So you can eventually be able to watch all the lesson in order to speak English like a native, okay? Speak English professionally, all right? So I think everything is okay. Abonnez-vous, tournez la cloche, right? Partagez, surtout partagez parce que that's gonna be really important. On doing what Jovenza, what Zinobe, Kawasi Juas Pool, whatever. So let's help them, right? Okay, so I think that's everything is all right now. I shall see you in the next lesson. Peace.